Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by exposing the problem area and knowing what you have. First, check whether the teeth are metal or plastic because the fix differs slightly. Then look for bent teeth or a misaligned slider. Once done, clear debris from the track with a small brush and align the fabric so teeth meet evenly. Make sure to have needle nose pliers and a lubricant ready. This prevents further damage and lets you proceed confidently into the repair. You now focus on the slider and the teeth, which are the most common culprits. Apply a little graphite or candle wax to reduce friction, then gently work the slider onto the teeth by hand. If it won't seat, use pliers to compress the slider very slightly, just enough to grip. Move the slider slowly up and down to remesh any skipped teeth and pause to realign any stubborn sections. This controlled motion helps the teeth re-engage without ripping fabric. You finish by testing the zipper through its full range, ensuring it closes smoothly and doesn't separate under light tension. If it still splits, repeat the gentle squeeze on the slider and relubricate. Sometimes that final adjustment is all that's needed. When teeth are actually broken or missing, replace the top or bottom stop and prepare to install a new zipper. Do this rather than forcing a damaged track. One troubleshooting tip: if the slider won't hold, swap it for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.